It's Diane, and it's Quilty Merch Monday, and today we're starting in the hallway that leads to the kitchen from up front. And in this hallway we've got a bunch of gorgeous stuff. We've got our white on whites, we've got our low volume prints, we've got deer head fabrics that are going to be 25% off for another week. Yes, that's right, we're going to have our fall fabrics 25% off, the yardage and pre-cuts discounted for one more week. I also have beautiful collection of curated blooms and some of the, oh gosh, it's called Cottontails here by Quilty. So beautiful fabrics on sale. The new fabrics that came in, the purple and teal and green and lime that came in from Bitter Texts go with the flow. Plus we've got 20% off hoodies and t-shirts, mix and match, buy two get 20% off. So we got mostly hoodies left. We sold most of the t-shirts at the quilt show, but we do have some t-shirts left. So that's an in-store special, is the hoodies and t-shirt deal. But what I'm on this hallway for is that we have one of our Spider-Man quilt kits left, and this is it. It is 54 by 72, and it includes a pattern from Maple Island Quilts, and it's going to be, you know, this pattern is the way I did it right here, this design, but you can lay it out like this if you want to. But this is the pattern, this is the fabric. The gray background is called Aluminum, and it's by Paintbrush Studio. The red is Real Red by Paintbrush Studio, and then we've got the licensed Spider-Man print that is, I believe, by Springs Creative. And so we've got one kit left. It's regularly $59.90. I'm going to take $10 off this week to make it $49.90, and there's only one left. So if you've got a kiddo in your life, grandkiddo, niece or nephew, or even adult family member who is a Spider-Man fan, then this great quilt kit is a great price, and there's one left. So definitely check that out. Next up is our big cutting table. Next up is a Christmas quilt kit that you're not going to want to miss. This is the Evergreen pattern by Cluck Cluck Sew, and we have curated a fantastic collection of 26 or 28, I think, fat eighths for you to create this beautiful quilt top. So this will be going to the quilters soon. I need to figure out what backing I want, but I finished piecing it last night, and so it is just so pretty. Let's see if I can hold it up for you to see it. It is absolutely lovely. I don't know if I can move the table out of the way some more where you can get a better view of it, but this is so pretty. This includes fabrics from a variety of collections. There's Riley Blake, there's Quilty, and there's a Moda included in this. And then for the background, we used Paintbrush Studio, a solid white, and so probably we'll quilt it in white fabric. And so this is going to be our next kit that's going to be available. And so the next thing I want to show you is a new kit that is Afternoon in Zanzibar, and this is really pretty. This is some Studio E fabric. It's the Zanzibar collection, and we actually have, this one is finished. This one's quilted and bound, and just look at how gorgeous this lap quilt is. Just look. So pretty. And so this is a lap size. What is the size? It is 49 by 63, and the kit includes the fabric for the background, the front, the binding, and the pattern. And if you want to use the same fabric that we used on the back, we still have some of this Zanzibar on the bolt, and it's let's see, it is $10.99 a yard, and it is this beautiful circle, really pretty circle gray, and kind of it's a warm gray and a warm tan color, but this is Afternoon in Zanzibar. Super pretty. This is the next new kit that we have. And then last up, I want to show you some new blenders, because we got these in. These are going to be blenders that are part of the Bitter Texts chalk collection, and I ordered these to go with the All Misery Shop Hop fabric. This one is called Cloud, Pale Cloud, and then this one is called Light Gray. Hey Val's coming in today. This is Light Gray. And then next up is Texture Sky, And it's a really, really pretty sky blue. And these are going to be great blenders to go with the All Missouri Shop Hop fabric. We have 3 more colors that I'm waiting on that were out of stock. One is a royal blue, one is a white on white, and the other one is a dark kind of honey. This one is called Royal. And then the last one that we have is called Pale Honey. And it is the yellow that matches the collection. We're waiting on the honey, which is a little bit darker yellow to come in, but these are going to be great for the All Missouri Shop Hop blenders. The other things, a couple things I want to tell you as a reminder, on Fridays we have open sew in the store, and so you can come in, and I would invite you to work on baby boy quilts for newborns in need, or you can make boy quilts at home from your stash. Just bring them in and we'll get them to newborns. And so every time you turn in a quilt, you're going to get entered into a quarterly drawing. So that's a nice incentive. If you sew with us on Fridays, you get 10% off store-wide and 20% off fabrics that you're going to buy if you need anything for the baby boy quilt. So it's a great offer and a great cause. And then last thing I want to remind you is our upcoming sidewalk tent sale. So August 13th, 14th, Thursday and Friday is our upcoming sale. So we're going to have huge store-wide discounts. It's going to be a great week. And so definitely mark your calendar. If there's any way you can come, you need to come. So we're going to have some special things that are not in the store right now and not online, and so they're going to be for the sidewalk sale as a launch. We've got some really interesting stuff that we've got collected, plus we're going to be selling 1.5 years worth of shop samples that we've made, the things that we've already sold all the kits. And so there may be some quilts or some lap quilts that you are going to want, and so definitely make plans to be here for the sidewalk tent sale, 2nd annual. So that's it for Quilty Merch Monday. Can't wait to see you. Come shop with me.